can you turn $1,000 into $10,000 within a year trading options? That is what we are trying to find out in this video. So today is the beginning of the challenge. So we are in April of 2024, and I just deposited $1,000 last week into my Robinhood account, and my goal is to see if I can turn it into $10,000 by the end of 2024 using options trading. I call it trading, but it's not really going to be daily trading. It's more going to be like swing trading using options. So I'm going to be primarily focused on credit spreads, and I'm going to try to be collecting credit as opposed to buying calls or buying puts, So my goal is to see if I could turn $1,000 into $10,000 by the end of the year. My goal is to gain 5% on a weekly basis and just multiply that by the end of the year to see how much we can gain. So as you guys can see, like I said, about a week ago I deposited $1,000 into my Robinhood account, and so far I've turned it into $1,038.68 within the past week. And as you guys can see around on the right hand over here, I also have some SPY options that are expiring next week on the 26th of April. I have a put credit spread over here, which is currently going against me because I only collected $24 for that. And I have this other call credit spread. That one is going in my favor. It's almost becoming worthless. It is left with $2. So as you guys can see down here, I'm already at a profit of 87.50%. Next week, Monday, I will probably close that out. I may not even wait till Friday, which is 4/26, to close it out, since I've already gained about 87.50% of it. What I'm going to be doing is collecting credits, either put credit spreads or call credit spreads as well. If you guys have questions, or if you would like to follow along on a weekly basis as I learn more and experiment with this particular challenge, you could ask in the comment section, and also make sure to subscribe to see how the challenge is going. Anytime that I post new video, you will be notified. Also in the comments, let me know if you guys have questions about options trading. I will be sure to answer that. If you just want to know the basics of options trading, like what is a call option, what is a put option, what are long calls, what are short calls, what are credit spreads, what are iron condor, what are straddles, what are strangles, all those, I could explain that to you in the next couple of videos. But for now, I am just going to focus on a simple basic credit spreads. Possibly I may even try the wheel strategy, but the account is very small, so the wheel strategy doesn't really make sense, which is why I am not going to be doing the wheel strategy with this particular challenge. So yeah, my goal is to take $1,000 to see if I could turn it into $10,000 with not taking crazy amount of risk. I mean, it's still quite risky, but because if you could see over here, my buying power is left with $571.68, and I have two options expiring next week that are still outstanding. So, and they are both on SPY. So in a way, some people could say that is quite risky, putting about 50% of my account on one particular stock or one particular ticker, let me say that. But as you guys, some of you may also know, those who are familiar with options, the account is quite small, so unfortunately it is going to have to be what it is. But that's why I've also picked SPY to be one of the main underlines that I will be trading with the options. So currently I'm mostly going to be focused. Here are some of the stocks that I'm looking to trade options on. So we got SPY, we got QQQ, we got Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and a whole bunch more. But my main focus is going to be SPY, QQQ, and Nvidia. Currently Nvidia has a lot of volatility, which means a lot more credit to be able to be collected. So which is great news, you know, as options traders. That's what we want. We want volatility, also want volume. So we want, and SPY has a lot of volume, and currently there seems to be a good amount of volatility with SPY as well. So that's great for collecting credit. All right, we will continue. I will give you guys an update as to what is going on. Like I said, if you have any questions, comments, leave it down below. Make sure to like the video if you are liking what I'm doing, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see moving forward. I mean, I have some other topics lined up, you know, like personal finance topics I could certainly cover, you know, Roth IRA accounts and all those stuff, but right now is going to be mainly focused on trading, but I'll sprinkle in those topics as well. I think those are very good topics for people to comprehend. All right, so that's all I have for now. Like I said, like the video if you like it, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notifications bell. All right, see you next time.